Alam nyo ba sa Santa, guys? It's snowfall na! Scarlett! Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa The Grove at ipapakita namin sa inyo ang Christmas decoration dito mamayang gabi. So, samahan nyo kami today! Sleepy na ang aming bebe Scarlett. Kakakating pa lang namin. Nagnap lang kasi. Sleepy. Wala, tulog na ni. Tulog na siya. Hindi na nakakita ng papasyalan. Nagtulog-tulogan lang. Dumilat uli. It's Santa's workshop hours. Kung gusto niyo magpa-picture kay Santa dito, kailangan niyo munang pumila ng ganto kahaba. Yan, ang daming kids na gusto magpa-picture kay Santa. Pero susilip tayo sa bintana, makikita na natin kagad si Santa. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung gilid ng gingerbread. Susilip lang tayo dito sa bintana, hindi dito si Santa. Pakita ko sa inyo. There you go. Kita nyo ba si Santa, guys? Ayun, si Santa. Kita nyo ba si Santa, guys? Ayan. Ang dami nagpapapicture ng mga bata dyan. Hindi ko lang sure kung magkano ang bayad. Kanina, pumasok ko sa Coach. Nagtitingin-tingin lang naman ako. Wala naman akong balak bumili at nag-window shopping lang naman ako. Per item, wala akong nakikita ang price tag. So, nakakaya naman magtanong ng price kung hindi naman ako bibili. So, lumabas na lang ako. Sa online na lang ako bibili. At least, makakasave pa ako doon at may cashback ako makukuha. Ito yung other side ng The Grove, guys. Lahat ng mga branded store ay nandito. Naka-ready na mga Christmas decor. Mamayang gabi, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga lights nila dito. Are you a dessert lover? Pili na, guys. Ang kikita yung tsura na lalaki yan, guys. Malaki yan. Oh, ganyan yung kalaki, oh. Mas malaki pa sa kamay ko. Try natin, guys, kung makikita niyo yung iris ko, ah. Kita? Kita?
Hindi makita.
Hindi.
Kita brown dito. Kita ko, kaso yun, kita. Kaso hindi masyado, hindi maayos eh. Yan, ito. Up,
Nakita nyo ba yung iris ko, guys? Anong kulay nakikita nyo?
Brown.
Ah.
Hello guys! So, kung ayaw nyo kumain dito sa mga restaurant dito, kasi medyo mahal, meron ditong mura-mura at masarap naman. Punta tayo dito sa Farmers Market. Yan. Tapos, dito, kakaliwa lang kayo. Diretso lang kayo, tapos kakaliwa lang kayo dyan. So, dyan, maraming masasarap na food. And, okay naman sa budget. So, yan, samahan nyo kami. Maglilibot namin at gabi na. So, ang ganda na dito, guys, oh. Yan, oh. Wow, punong-puno na ng Christmas lights. So, ayan si baby, oh. Hi, Scarlett! Oh, mulagang-mulaga, kakagising na lang, oh. Hello! Si Mami. Hi, Mami!
Good morning, Scarlett. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Gising na. Nakaramdam ng food si Scarlett kaya nagising bigla, oh. Ano yung mata mo yung
So guys, yan oh. Ganda na dito oh. Oh, puno-puno na ng Christmas lights. So actually dito sa mga mall lang, sa mga park lang may mga Christmas lights. So hindi tulad sa atin, pati mga household may mga Christmas lights. Kaya mostly mga tao dito sa mall napunta. Tulad nito. Yan. Mandar na yung train, no? Oh. Oh, tingnan mo naman si baby, oh. Tingnan mo si Scarlett. Si Scarlett, oh, nonchalant. Ah, sige.
We're waiting na lang sa snowfall. Let's go! It's Christmas time!
May snowball ba dito?
Snowfall.
Paano mo naman? Everyday ba yon?
Picture ako si Scarlett.
Wala pa tayo sa Christmas tree. So guys, dito nakatira si Santa. Yan. Kung gusto nyo magpa-picture, may bayad. Yan. So nandito kami ngayon sa The Groove. Ganda dito guys, oh. Daming pipila, papapicture lang kay Santa, oh. Baby ko. Anak, gusto mo magpa-picture kay Santa?
May picture na pa ako kay Santa eh. Halika na, halika na. Look at the Apple Store dito guys, oh. Ang laki. And kita nyo ba kami sa taas? Hi, Scarlett. Look up. Look up. Look up. Ah. Ah. Nag-enjoy si Scarlett. Ang daming lights yung nakikita. Ganito kalaki ang Apple Store dito, guys. Bibili daw ng Apple Watch si Wayne eh. Ewan ko lang kung kailan. Titingin siya ngayon kung magkano. Parang VR guys, oh.
Have you guys been able to type on it? On the key?
Dito muna kami habang nag-aantay sa kanyang daddy. Mama! Mama! Hi! Say hi, Scarlett! Say hi!
Every 7 p.m. and 8 p.m.
7 p.m. snowfall. 7 p.m. is snowfall. So, anong oras na ngayon?
Pag-circuit po.
5:30 pa lang. Sayang na may pinunta natin. Hindi natin antay yung snowfall.
Okay, sige.
He needs some.
Let's go anak tayo. 1, 2, 3. Walk, 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 walk. 1, 2, 3. Ano mo?
Scarlett!
Walk, 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 walk. da dee dee dance, da da dance 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 dance, dee dee dance dance dance. Anak, mabigat ka na anak eh. You sleepy na? Nakanap ka na ah. Mabigat ka na kasi anak, hindi ka na kayang buhatin ni mami. Diyan ka na sa stroller, ha? Oh, buonin natin nalalaki na tayo. Ay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go! Let's go! Hi guys, so susubukan namin mamaya sumakay dito sa trolley and it's for free. Yung nga lang kailangan namin pumila. Let's go! Ito na guys, it's snowball!
Sige.
It's snowfall na! Scarlett, look ah! Look! Look, Scarlett, oh, it's snowing! Snow! Feel the snow! Gawa sa yung snow, pero parang ako! Wala talaga siya, honey! Gawa siya sa tula! Look, Scarlett!
Aba, akala mo. Snow?
Styro, ganon. Made of styro.
Hindi ang kalat nun.
Video mo kami, Scarlett. It's snowing. It's snowing, Scarlett. It's snowing. Punta kayo dito sa The Grove guys during Christmas time and it's worth it. Ang ganda ng mga Christmas decor and lights plus the snowfall. Medyo matao nga lang kahit Monday ngayon pero sulit na rin kahit saglit lang. Hi Scarlett! Nandito kami ngayon nakaupo sa itaas ng trolley. Let's go! Makikita niyo yung buong view ng The Grove. Ikot namin kayo.
Scarlett.
Scarlett! Nagayon din si Scarlett sa mga Christmas decor, oh. You like it, bebe? You like it? Akala ko antok ka na. Akala ko antok ka na. Ha? Akala ko antok ka na, oh. Nah. Hi!
Scarlett.
Tingnan si Scarlett, oh. Lahat gustong tikman, oh, ha? Gusto niya yung Christmas ball. Iuwi ko sana kaso hindi pala natatanggal. Ayun, you're enjoying, Scarlett? Wow! Ganda, Scarlett, oh. Look!
Ladies and gentlemen, we're riding an electrical trolley, yes? That's right, an electrical trolley that weighs over 50,000 pounds. We can only go maximum speed 5 miles per hour. We're currently going 2 miles per hour. Right here at Nordstrom Tours, left-hand side, you can find the scent of the Christmas tree nest. That way you can have that aroma. To our right-hand side, we have the magical Christmas tree. That's 100 feet tall, with over 15,000 ornaments, to over 10,000 lights. Next we have the pop-up store, Dolce & Gabbana. Be sure to visit them for the latest in scents, fragrances, makeup, beauty, cosmetics. 6 o'clock and 8 p.m. every night. To the right-hand side, we have the iconic fountain that goes on every hour on the hour. It was brought to you by the same team of people from the Bellagio at Las Vegas
Ganda nga ng view.
and Americana at the Grand. So left-hand side, we have the
Ganda,
ancient
like the
theaters
Grove.
with the latest flicks like Gladiator, Wicked, and more. Right next to the AMC theaters, we have the Cheesecake Factory with a wonderful happy hour from 4 to 6 in the afternoon.
Baby.
Tuwa si Scarlett.
We also have to the left-hand side one of women's favorite stores of all time, the Coach, where you can have their fragrances and scarves and more. Here we have Alo, men's and women's fashion, and Blue luxury store, Gucci, with fragrances, purses, scarves.
Gingerbread.
To our left-hand side, we just passed Barnes & Noble, one of Carlos's favorite stores, our driver, with crayons, Legos, games, books, and movies. To our right-hand side, we have the Santa's restaurant, where you can take pictures with Santa Claus. He's been taking residency here ever since this Christmas season began. You can take family portraits, individual portraits, unique portraits with Santa. We just passed by Rado. To our left-hand side, anything a woman could want, Sephora, beauty, makeup, cosmetics, color, anything. To the right-hand side, we have Backcountry, where you can have knickknacks, sweaters, jackets, clouds. We're also nearing the candy store, where you can have old-fashioned milkshakes, and you can have also soda pops, coffee. We're also nearing Marmara Lake Cafe. Our visionary creator behind us is Rick Caruso, who built it again to the Old Town Fashion Square.
Ano yung daming shoes,
Downtown
oh?
district,
Cool kicks.
in Old Country, instead of the regular mall place. To our right-hand side, we have a cantina, a Mexican menu for all of you that like Mexican food. To our right-hand side, we have Zara's, the department store. Once again, we're nearing the end of our trip. We wish you all a joyous, solemn, beautiful Christmas. We're now waiting for our
Hi! So, na-achieve na namin kung ano yung reason kaya nandito kami. Let's go home na dahil si Scarlett ay inaantok na. So, good night na guys! Bye!